Hello, ladies and gentlemen. This is Tanya and Frag Addiction channel, and today is a very random video. Not a review at all. First impression. This is what I craved to smell for a long time. It's not sponsored. It's gonna be a review and first impression unboxing. I just climbed out of my morning coffin and I didn't put any makeup on because I really wanted to unbox this for you. HERETIC Parfum Nosferatu. Not sponsored. I ordered it from the website and we're gonna see how it all looks like inside. Yeah. Okay. There is this fancy newspaper. Let's see. It is an official fragrance of the movie. Whoa, whoa, that's a lot. I don't know if I can show all of that to you. That's a lot. It's probably going to be really loud on the microphone. Look at this. What does a vampire smell like? I wonder. Today is a very special day for me also, personally, because I'm going to AC/DC concert. And it's just a bonus gift. A paradox to our senses inhabited by the vampire. Okay, let's move on. Wow. That's how it looks like. This doesn't have anything on it. Let's see. It's just a rubber band. Okay. This is a receipt, I believe. Yep. Okay. It's sealed. Look at that. It looks like wax seal. I think it's just plastic. There we go. Okay, there's a whole story in the back, of course. Eau de macabre. No idea what it means. Maybe it has more percentage of the oil than eau de parfum. I don't know what exactly they mean by it. Let's open this up and see how it looks like. There's a little more inside the box. I'll show you in a minute. I just want to see how this is presented. Ooh. There we go. And look at the lid. I feel like a witch at the moment. Like I ordered some special ingredients for my brew. I don't know. Should I spray it right away? Let's see what's in here. There's more words than I thought. So there is petrichor, fluid stone. I think it's at the heart of the composition. It's the smell of wet stone and rain, as far as I know. I'm not going to read all because it will take forever. I'm going to spray. Okay, Lilac Mathioli, Springa, oh, I don't know how to say this. So it's lilac. It says flammable, keep away from heat or flames, external use only. What is this about? Okay, what else is in here? Viola purpurea, Violet de Mars. So it's violet note and ambergris. It even shows a little ocean beast for the ambergris. Dragon spittle fragrance. Vegan. That's interesting. Okay. I also have a little discovery set. And yeah, just a reminder, I ordered this all by myself. So this is not a gift, even the discovery set. If you want me to review this discovery set, or maybe, oh, whoa, I think I opened it wrong. Oh, it goes the other way. This discovery set along with the fragrance itself, like make a big review, just write down in the comments. Okay, this is how it looks like. I want to spray. Let's do that. I don't know about cold stones, but I smell cucumbers. Cucumber cocktail. I don't know. And sandalwood for sure? Like a pickly sandalwood? What? Maybe it was just traveling and something is wrong with my nose today. I'm too excited. I'm gonna try to spray it on my arm because I don't have anything yet. I kind of smell the lilacs. Yeah, and still, it's so watery. I almost think there's lotus flower in here, but and some even alcohol. I don't know. It's almost boozy for me. In the realm of roses on ice, Killian, something like that. It's very, very boozy. That fragrance is super boozy. Oh, now the booziness starts to go away. It's been a couple seconds. Okay. Maybe I'll try to wear it tonight for the concert. I don't know what's the projection rate. I didn't actually look at the reviews for this. I didn't look at Fragrantica because I want to come fresh. Mm. So this is an official fragrance for the movie. It's like it's not, they don't have like a special license or something. It came out right with the movie. The movie is stunning. If you didn't see it, I actually watched it twice already. It's just so amazing. Made in the best traditions of 90s and has amazing quality of today. And that's supposed to be Bill Skarsgård's smell in that movie. I think it's very molecular. Very interesting fragrance. And fresh. It's very fresh. I don't know what, like, it's supposed to be scary, maybe haunting. I don't know about this yet because I guess it has to develop more on the skin. Because on skin, it smells so much brighter than on the strip. I almost want to respray on a strip, but I don't think I'll smell more here. I just want to smell it on myself more. Whoa. For me, it is boozy now. I don't know what is it. Makes it even better, actually. Definitely, I smell fresh iris, not violet. And I'm actually super happy because I'm not a big fan of violets on my skin. I love smelling violets from other people. So this has very, very like gentle, fresh iris for me right now. And that smell of rain. It kind of developed and has very delicate lilac accord. Very interesting. I don't think I have anything like this and even smelled anything like this before. So fun. Thank you for being with me. Share your comments down below. And I love you all my audience. Maybe press likes. Don't forget likes and subscribe. If you're interested for more stuff, press notification bell. And see you all soon. Bye-bye.